Hey everybody, what's up? We just got a bulb order. It's the only other bulb order I got. I thought I would share it with you guys. This order is from Easy to Grow Bulbs. From my experience, I kind of have mixed opinions about Easy to Grow bulbs. They do have a lot of more kind of specialty type bulbs. At the same time, however, a lot of them are a little bit more expensive than you can find elsewhere. I got mainly some tulips and a couple other things that I think were reasonably priced. A couple of their items on their website I would never buy from them. For example, the ranunculus. I personally think their ranunculus are very expensive, and you can get corms from somebody like, I don't know, Florit, for a fraction of the cost there. So definitely, as always, before you order online, always do your research first. Read reviews. Just really come to a good, educated conclusion on your own before you order from places. So to give you a little bit of a backstory on this order, I ordered this on October 1st, which, yeah, I shouldn't have ordered my bulbs so late, but I mean, I wasn't even sure if I would have the money to order bulbs. I ordered these on October 1st. Usually bulb orders start shipping in my zone around the end of September, so I mean, I was really right on time to start, for shipping to start. I waited, and then October 15th rolled around. I still hadn't gotten any notification of shipping, and I sent an email like, hey, just checking on the status of this. It's been 2 weeks, it's kind of a long time, because you have to keep in mind, I ordered my bulbs from Longfield Garden on the 1st, on the same day as I ordered these, and the bulbs from Longfield Garden have been in the ground for over a week now, maybe like 10 days. The bulbs from Longfield Garden have been in the ground. And yeah, these come from California. Meh. I think Longfield Gardens comes from New Jersey. Meh. I feel like 2 weeks is a pretty long time. So I sent them an email. So after I sent them that email, later that day, that night, it's like, oh yeah, your bulb's shipped. It was kind of like, oh, I reminded them to ship my order. I don't know if that was true, or if it just takes them that long to ship things normally. It shipped that day after I emailed them. I didn't hear anything back from customer service or anything until 2 days later, when Trevor from customer service was like, oh yeah, they're getting delivered tomorrow. Admittedly, I was also a little off-put that in the title of the reply to my email was the word spam in real big letters, like my email had been marked spam. I don't know, I ain't trying to spam nobody just because I'm wondering when y'all are going to ship my bulbs. Don't know. Again, make your own conclusions. With all that in mind, I am happy with what I have received. These bulbs look really nice. I have no complaints there. I'm really excited to plant them. They're nicely packaged. They have all the instructions I need. Oh, there was one more thing. When I made this order, since I spent over $50 on the bulbs, when I made this order, it added to my cart something called an adventure pack, which is, I don't know, apparently free bulbs or something when you spend over a certain amount of money. And I was just like, oh, that'll be interesting. I really love a nice little surprise to see what that is. I got my order. There's no mention of that. There's nothing else in here other than what I ordered. So y'all might want to fix that on your website, because it's misleading. Especially, if I were going to be ordering something that was a little more pricey, I might be more inclined to purchase if like, oh, well, there's going to be something else extra in here. And then you get it and there's nothing extra. So that's a little bit misleading, but whatever. I don't really care anymore at this point. I just need to get these in the ground. The tulip Bellica, again, I don't remember what this looks like at all. Just being totally straight honest with you guys. They looked pretty at the time, so I got them. I got Dream Touch Tulip. These are packs of 10, I should mention. Some of these are going to be going in the fridge to be forced over winter. I'll be making a video about that too. Also got Apricot Parrot. I really probably should have ordered those from, probably Dutch Grown or John Schleepers or whatever, however you say it. But I just went ahead and made one order because I didn't feel like ordering from 8 different places. We also have Weber's Parrot. Got a lot of parrot tulips in here. We have Copper Image. This is really the main reason that I wanted to order from Easy to Grow is because I really, really, really wanted to try Copper Image this year, and it was sold out everywhere I usually order from. I also wanted to grow Labelle Epoch this year, but I totally forgot to order it like a complete moron, and now it's sold out everywhere. So we also got some crocus. This is King of the Stripe. These are striped purple crocus. We have some Galanthus snowdrops. These are the double snowdrops. Those bulbs are so teeny tiny. Hopefully they'll multiply. I know, I mean, it's just a small package of 10. Just picked that up. We also have some fringe muscati, I don't know how to say it, tulips. Obviously fringe tulips. I think those are doubles. I think I got a lot of doubles and a lot of parrots. We have Mountain Mist Mix. I'm going to go back and look at that on the website because I don't really remember ordering them, but I'm sure I did because I just, you know, picked out the things that I thought were pretty. Last but not least is the Fantasy Parrot Tulip Mix. So not that many tulips, but a lot of ones that are kind of special and unique. So that will be interesting to see. That's really about it for this video. Would I order from Easy to Grow again? Maybe if they had something really special that I wanted, but I don't think I'm going to go out of my way to prefer them. I think for now I'm going to stick with Longfield Gardens. And as always, these are just my personal opinions. Please feel free to make your own personal opinions. This is just based on my experiences. I'm not getting paid by any of these people. These people have never contacted me or anything. I have no affiliation. I don't give a dang what they do. So these are going to go in the yard, and hopefully they'll be really pretty, and I'll show you guys those next year when they bloom. Hope y'all are having such a great day. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, guys.